Hello. Did you know that starting your day with a 5-minute stretching routine can greatly help keep you mobile and free of joint pain? We're going to go over 5 stretching exercises that when you incorporate them into your morning routine can greatly improve your life. So let's go over them now. So the first one is the runner stretch. This stretch is great for the lower body and especially the hamstrings and hip flexors. Tight hamstrings are often the culprits of lower back pain. They may be worse in people who sit for extended periods of time. So don't worry, you could do this at the office in a little break. Muscles worked are the hamstrings, hip flexors, lower back, and calves. So you just stand with your feet hip width apart, stand back with left leg, and place both of your hands on the ground on either side of your right foot, about a shoulder width apart. Or you can do the alternate method as seen here in this slide if it's too difficult. You lower your hips until you feel a stretch in the front of your left hip and leg and hold for 30 seconds. You slowly straighten your front leg, keeping your hands planted on the floor. But don't worry, if you can't get your leg completely straight, that's fine. Just hold it for 30 seconds, repeat on the other side. So the next one is called the forward fold. This stretch is the ultimate full body stretch. It's ideal for office workers who spend too much time sitting at a computer. This will stretch the legs and hamstrings. It's also a chest and shoulder opening exercise. The muscles worked are the hamstring, shoulders, lower back, and chest. Stand with your feet hip width apart, toes pointing forward. Reach your hands behind you to meet behind your glutes. Interlace your fingers if possible. Keeping a flat back, bend at the waist, shifting your hips backward and weight in your heels until you feel a stretch down the back of your legs. As you see in the slides, do not roll your back. Try to keep your back flat. And as you bend forward, let gravity pull your arms above your head, keeping your arms straight, and only go as far as your shoulder flexibility will allow. Hold this position for 30 seconds and then repeat. The seated back twist. Spinal twists are great release exercises. They can help improve back pain, increase mobility. If you have any disc or spinal problems that may worsen when twisting, skip this exercise. So the muscles worked is the rectus spina, glutes, and lower back. Sit on the floor, legs crossed with your left leg on top. Your foot on the ground by your right knee so that your left knee is pointing upward. Or do the alternate method as shown here if it's too difficult. Gently twist your shoulders toward the left, pushing against your left leg for leverage. And only go as far as comfortable. And hold this position for 30 seconds and repeat on the other side. The next stretch is called the bound angle. This hip opening stretch is effective for both men and women. It helps decrease tension in the hips and muscles on the inside of the thighs. Muscles worked are the abductors, hip flexors, and glutes. You can sit on the floor, back straight, keep the soles of your feet touching. Place your hands on your feet and lengthen through the spine. Feel as if there is a string pulling your head to the ceiling and shift your weight forward off your tailbone. Using your arms to assist, lean forward with a flat back, bringing your head toward your feet. And only go as far as comfortable. Hold position for 30 seconds. Now, the next one is called the chest stretch indoor. Tightness in the chest and shoulders is often found in people with poor posture. This can lead to bigger problems later in life. Doing daily chest opening stretches can help prevent tightness and promote proper posture and better breathing. All you need is a doorway to do this one. The muscles worked is the chest, interior deltoid, and biceps. You stand in the middle of the open door, place your forearms on each side of the door frame. If possible, if the doorway is too wide, then do one arm at a time. And you gently lean forward into the doorway until you feel a stretch through the front of your chest and shoulders. Again, only go as far as comfortable and hold position for 30 seconds and repeat. Stretching for only a few minutes a day can be greatly beneficial and allow you to keep your normal range of motion throughout your life. Now, for those of you who are active, it may be best to do your stretches after you work out. For everyone, try and incorporate these stretches today to help improve your flexibility and ward off back pain and poor posture in the future. So thank you for watching. And again, I am rather new here, so it would be greatly appreciated if you would just give me a like and a subscribe. Thank you, and let's keep going.